guys, welcome back to my channel and Merry Christmas if you're watching this on the day it goes up. Today is the last day of HolidAMY, and for the last few years of the last day of HolidAMY I've done my December favorites as the final day. A lot of YouTubers, or people I watch at least, skip December favorites because they do their yearly favorites, which I will be doing in the new year. But like, I've racked up things I liked in November or December, squeeze, and I want to share about them. So it's not a ton of stuff, but I did just want to share. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it with nail polish first, as usual. So first and foremost, I did a whole haul on this collection. It's the OPI Hello Kitty collection. I can link it up in the corner. I actually did pick up some more because while I was filming a certain video, I don't remember which one, 2 nail polishes fell off my bed and clanked with each other, and this one broke, so I had to throw it away and go back and get more because I was destined to have these as my Christmas nails, which I do, which we'll get to that in a moment. But then I ended up buying 2 more that are not in that haul, but we'll get to those at another time. I don't know why I'm telling you that, and I guess I should be careful with not dropping them today. But in that said haul, I mentioned I was going to be pairing these together, and I did it, and I loved it. You probably have seen it on my nails in a few videos. As of when I'm filming this, I still haven't posted them on Instagram. I am so behind on Instagram, and everybody's annoyed of me saying it, but it's true. I don't know what's my problem. I just need to post the damn pictures. But so I took OPI Hello Pretty, which I already mentioned this. It's a beautiful, opaque, dark, deep purple. I mentioned this in my November favorites, I think. But then I did it again, and I put on top this one, which is called Pile of Sprinkles, which is a really fun, kind of lighter, like periwinkle, lavender, silver. It's kind of even got those like mermaid metallic, like silver blue green shimmer in there on top of this, and I loved it. It was a phenomenal manicure, if I do say so myself. Not that I even did it myself or created the combo, but I loved it. And in that haul I got a bunch of comments from you guys saying that like you were most looking forward to trying that combination, so I just wanted to let you know that I tried it and I loved it. And then, as I mentioned, my Christmas nails, I have OPI Dream in Glitter. I'm wearing it on top of 2 coats of Coca-Cola Red, which is my favorite red. It is discontinued, but any of your like good old favorite red nail polishes will work. And these top coats, which that's what I would call them, top coats, I do not think that they are opaque on their own. The gold one was, but in my swatching, neither of these were like enough on their own, so I would suggest a polish underneath them. But I am just loving my nails. Every time I catch a glimpse of it, I'm just like, oh, these are the red glittery nails I've been dreaming of for years, and I am obsessed. So I wanted to mention those. You can still get them. They're still available at Ulta. I'm sure they'll go quick, but as of now, they're still available. I have a few makeup favorites. I have been loving, I think I've mentioned this before, but this month I've been loving the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Luminous Makeup Nude Skin Feel, and I have the color Porcelain L1. I am wearing it today. I'm pretty much gonna mention all my makeup I'm wearing today except for my lip, which is the NYX Butter Gloss. I'll have it linked out. Do those even still exist? The gloss I'm wearing is probably way too old to be wearing it. I'm probably gonna die for putting it on. If it's still available, I'll buy a new one and also link it down below. But I am wearing this today and I just love it. It's a very, just kind of like glowy, healthy looking makeup, and I just really enjoyed it. It's even a little bit more luminous than my current like all-time favorite, which is the L'Oreal Fresh Wear. I can't even remember what it's freaking called, but I'm running out of that, so I've been using this a little bit, and I just love it. I think the packaging is also beautiful. The price is right because it's from, I believe you can get Flower Beauty at Ulta and Walmart. Correct me if I'm wrong, I don't even know. I'll have it linked down below, probably through Ulta. But you guys know I love the Light Illusion concealer, so I wanted to try the foundation, and I already knew I liked it, but I've been using it even more this month, and I just really like it. My skin, of course, has been dry, always is in the winter, and this, I feel like, just makes it look a little bit more back to life. So, and I've been getting a ton of requests to do like a how I glow video, like a routine, like a tutorial, if you will, on all my favorite glowy products. So if you want that, let me know. I can do that in the new year because I do like to glow because I'm dry, and whatever I can add to my face to make me look like I'm glowing, count me in. But my other 2 makeup favorites are for glowing as well. I have this Pixie Rach Loves palette, which I haven't watched her in a while, but I used to really enjoy Rach Loves, who is a YouTuber here on YouTube. And this, I guess, is, I didn't even know about this. To be honest, Nikki Philippi gave this to me, which I'm assuming she got in PR, but she was like, here. And I was like, great, thank you. I've never tried, like, no, that's a lie. I have tried Pixie makeup. I don't think I've tried a highlighter. I love this palette. Whoopsie, almost slapped myself with it. So you get 5 colors, 2 of them really big and then 3 smaller ones. I have used all of them except for this like kind of lilac purple one. I don't really know what I would use that for. But I love all 3 of these as highlight shades, and then I've used this one as an eyeshadow, and it's like my favorite. It comes off a little more rose gold than it looks. Looks a little more bronzy. And I don't even have a favorite out of the 3 of these. I started with Lace. I really liked that one. then I started trying Clutch, then I started trying Tea, and now today I have them all mixed on my face. So that is what my highlight is today. This color right here, Lace, reminds me of my Cotton Candy Cream from Kylie Cosmetics, the highlighter. But I'm just impressed with this highlight. I love the way it makes my skin look. It lasts all day, it doesn't break up, it's really easy to apply. So yeah, I just thought this was a really nice highlighting palette that I hadn't even heard of, so I wanted to mention it, and I've been using it non-stop this month, so definitely a fave. And then I mentioned this last month, but I've been getting so many questions about it that I'm talking about it again. And if you want to check out my November favorites, I will link it up in the corner because there's a lot of makeup in there that I'm still loving as well. But my Tati Beauty palette, and I know that there's a re-release date, but I have no idea when it is. If you know, please let us know in the comments down below, because seriously, everybody needs this palette. I don't think I've ever been as impressed with the palette as I have with this. So this is the Tati Volume 1 palette, and basically you get 6 different colorways in 4 different formulas. So I think it's a genius idea for a palette, and while it doesn't cover like every single color I would need, I mainly love it for the glitters. These glitters up top are incredible. A lot of you have been commenting like, you have been glittering all month. Can't stop, won't stop with the glitter. I love it, and it's the month to glitter, so why not? And now I've officially tried looks with all colorways and all of these glitters, and I love all of them. Today was my last one. I used the Ritual Story right here. It's a little bit more of like a bronzy rose gold. I'm just obsessed. I love it. But even so, the mattes are great. I always use a mixture of Soothe and Aura in my crease. I've used some of these like metallic and sequins just on their own. But I think the real highlight, and I still need to like use it more because there's only so many eyeshadow looks I can do in 2 months, but the real highlight for me is the glitters, because I've been looking for something like this for such a long time, and she truly nailed it. And I'm not kidding you guys, the glitter does not move. I will say I do my eyeshadow first with this palette just because, and I'm not even like that great at doing makeup, I do get a little bit of fallout, so I like to do my look, then take like a makeup wipe and just kind of clean up the edges and everything. And then after that, it stays in place. I do use glitter glue, the Too Faced glitter glue. I can link that down below. That's been a fave for years. I will use that, but I love this palette. And it was under $50, which I think for this like great quality of a palette, for other companies that are charging like $58 per palette, like no. This, if you can get your hands on this when it comes back, do it. I would highly, highly, highly recommend it. It is so good. I'm leaving tomorrow to go to North Carolina for Christmas, and I want to bring it with me so bad because Christmas looks, but I'm like afraid to travel with it because I don't want to break it. So we'll see what I end up doing. And I even used the like dark shade, which is Memory. I did like a smoky metallic glitter eye for the Ariana Grande concert last night, which was incredible. Yes, I went again. But yeah, I have used all the glitters now. I can confirm and say I love all of them, would highly recommend. We'll move on. I have a skincare favorite. Well, technically I have, I guess, 2. They're both from Young Living. This first one is the Young Living Orange Blossom Facial Wash. I am so thoroughly enjoying using this, and I don't use this to like take off my makeup or anything. I've been using this as a morning time face wash, and I just absolutely love it. It smells like you're at a very, very fancy spa, and I love it. It obviously smells like oranges, but I also think there's rosemary. Oh, that's the first thing I saw. There's balsam copaiba, lavender, patchouli, lemon, rosemary, orange. There's apple in there, rose. Wow. Like I love this, and it does say it's for normal to oily skin. I have dry skin and it hasn't been drying out my face at all. It just makes me look very glowy. I've been loving it, so I wanted to mention it. It is a bit on the pricier side, so I'll like keep you updated on how long this lasts me, because I've only been using it for a couple of weeks, but I loved it so much I wanted to mention it. And this is too big to bring with me on the plane because I only take a carry-on, and I'm gonna like miss it. I thought about it like, oh, I'm gonna miss you. That's how I feel about like my makeup and my nail polish and my skincare. I'm like, oh, I'll miss you while I'm gone. And then the other one is the Young Living Christmas Spirit Soap, the foaming hand soap. I hadn't tried the Young Living hand soap yet. I love this so much that I already have Thieves hand soap in my next Essential Rewards unboxing. Babe! Come here, please. Would you like to tell them how much you love this soap? We have my guest husband.
Oh, it's me.
My guest husband.
Do you have like a regular husband? I'm the guest husband.
Please tell everybody your feelings about this soap.
I love that soap.
Bradley's not passionate about many things. Well, no, that's not true. You're not passionate about many skincare or like body care items.
But it has an orange scent. And when I was using it, I was like, something in this kitchen smells like a Manhattan. I don't know what it is, but I am a sucker for a Manhattan, and found out it was this soap, and so I love using it now.
He's constantly sniffing his hands.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's good.
Thanks, babe.
Yep.
Let's hear it from my guest husband.
Thank you.
I'm a huge fan of the formula as well. I mentioned in my products I disliked video, which I can link it up there. I was using a foaming hand soap. Bradley's blowing his nose if you can hear that. I mentioned in that video I was using a foaming hand soap from Trader Joe's that was so awful and drying that I just like had to recycle it. I was like, my hands are too precious to be using this drying hand soap. And I switched to this one and I love it. In Christmas spirit, I don't know, for some reason I was expecting it to smell different when I first ordered it, but it's mostly like orangey and cinnamon-y. It's really, really pleasant. So I wanted to mention this now. I'm assuming it's gonna, actually that's not true. The Christmas spirit oil is around all year round. So maybe this isn't going anywhere and you can still get it. But I just wanted to mention it if you wanted to, if you're a part of Young Living and you wanted to order it. And as always, if you have any questions about Young Living, I have like an essential oils Instagram page where we talk about it over there. You can message me there because I know it can be kind of confusing and people have questions. And there's also probably, hopefully, going to be some sort of like after Christmas sale. I hope so. I don't even know what I want to be on sale. I get so excited for Young Living sales because they never do them. And then last but not least, I have 2 bath bombs that I just kind of wanted to share were my favorites of the ones, I think my favorites of the ones I've tried from the Christmas release, which again, I did a whole video on. Whoop, my hair is stuck in my fingers. I can link it up there. But I went into the shop the other day to buy some gifts. And of course I bought myself some because I had to, because I think all these are about to go away and I'm so upset about it. And I wanted to mention it because speaking of after Christmas sales, Lush has a very busy one. It's hard to get on their website or if you go to their store too. But for other Christmas stuff, it's buy one, get one free. So it's like incredible. So I wanted to mention my 2 favorites. This one seriously smells so good. It's called, oh my god, that's not what it's called. But this one is called Pop Art and it's basically a kettle corn scented flavor, not flavored, don't eat this. It's a kettle corn scented bath bomb. So it smells like sweet and salty. And it sounds like it would be weird, but it is so, so nice. If you use their popcorn lip scrub, it smells exactly the same, which that one used to be my favorite, but they discontinued it. It's just so pleasant. And on the inside of this, there's popping candy, like Pop Rocks, so it like kind of pops in your bathtub. It was just like a really, really fun bath time experience. So I picked up another one because I loved everything about it. The way it smelled, the Pop Rocks inside. Kind of makes it a weird like pea color in your bath, but you can look past that. Hopefully you can. I can. And then the other one I was like completely blown away by was Santa's Workshop or Santa's Grotto, depending on where you live. It is the most floral thing I've ever smelled from Lush, which that sounds weird, but if you smell it and you're a Lush fan, you'll understand what I mean. It is absolutely beautiful. Well, it is absolutely beautiful, but the scent is as well. So you have all these fun like crystals and gold glitter throughout it, and it was just truly beautiful. I think I did a demo of this on my Instagram stories. I think it was this one. If it is, it'll be playing right now as I'm speaking. But I just enjoyed everything about this again so much that I picked up these 2. Because like I enjoyed most of them. I told my sister, because she's just as into bath bombs as I am, and I told her like I had a great time this year trying all of the new Christmas bath bombs because I really felt like they nailed all of them. I can't think of one of them that I didn't enjoy, but those were just the 2 that I picked up because I still have some more stuff to use up, and Valentine's Day will be here before you know it and we're gonna have new bath bombs then. I love all the new releases, so I have some bath bombs to use up, so I only picked up 2, but yeah. But okay guys, that is it for my December favorites. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you're watching this on Christmas Day, I hope you had, well, even if you're watching it after, I hope you had a great Christmas, and I probably won't see you until the new year. I'm not really sure, but oh, you guys, I'm so emotional lately. I could weep, but I'm gonna try not to. I just wanted to say, oh, she's crying. She's crying. I just wanted to say thank you. This year, YouTube-wise, was incredible, and the fact that I can call this my full-time job, I'll never get over because I hustled for that for so long, and this year I achieved it, and I'm just forever grateful to you guys for watching, clicking, liking, commenting, following me on Instagram, subscribing. Like, all of it helps way more than you know, and I'm just, I know that like without your guys' support and love that this wouldn't be my job, and I never forget that, and I'm just really, really thankful and grateful. And I didn't cry. I made it through that without crying, but I could weep right now. But yes, thank you for an amazing 2019, and let's do it in 2020. Let's do it. I don't even know what I'm referring to, but we're gonna do it. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next year. That dad joke. I love you guys. I'll see you very soon, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.